Morning everyone. Okay, today we will continue with our lesson which is on speaking, lesson 77. Alright, let's look at the table of content. Okay, the topic today is we are going to talk about health and environment, and the focus skill is speaking. Okay, team, people and culture, and we look at the content standard 2.1 and then the learning standard 2.1.2. Okay, the objective. By the end of the lesson, you are able to ask and respond appropriately to simple suggestions. And the success criteria is you will give opinion or suggestions to the questions of your choice. Okay, I will give you a list of questions and you have to choose. Alright, and you are to record your presentation. Okay, let's look at the lesson development. Alright, so we are going to talk about health and environment, what happened now. Okay, later I will explain the task, okay, where you have to talk about environment and pollution. Okay, and I will also explain the steps on how to do the task. And in step 3, okay, your task is you are going to record your response through vocaroo. Okay, I will explain to you how to use vocaroo. Alright, so this is your task. Okay, you are going to choose 3 questions from the given list. Okay, answer the questions by giving your opinion and suggestions, and you record your answer in vocaroo. Right, before you record, you have to read the question number and also the question before you start, right? Because I'm going to give you 18 questions and you are going to choose only 3, right? So before you start, you state your name, your class, and then you mention the question number and read the question before you proceed to your answer. Alright? Okay. Alright, before we go into your task, okay, before we go to your task, okay, let's discuss about, we talk about what's happening now. All right, okay, so we are now in the pandemic. Okay, so you have to take care of yourself. All right, so you must know what's happening now. Yeah, the latest information, the students will get vaccinated, actually the Form 5 and the Form 6. Right now, the teachers are getting vaccinated. So later on, maybe you will be vaccinated. Right, so you have to always know, okay, what's happening current. Yeah, all right. Okay, let's look at your task. Okay, these are the 18 questions. Alright, these are the 18 questions. Okay, let's look at the question. Okay, alright, so these are the first 6 questions. You can read. Alright, okay, read. Okay, so when you are to record, you mention, okay, number 1, do you think cars should be banned from the city center? Why? Then you give your answer. Okay, so if you choose question number 2, you mention question 2. Talk about how the world has changed since you were a child. Technology, recycling, making, smoking, health. So you give your answer. So you mention the question number. Alright, so these are the first 6 questions. Okay, let's look next 6 questions. Okay, so you can read the other 6 questions. Okay, you can choose. Okay, next 6. All right. If you don't understand any words, okay, you can refer to Google. All right, you can refer to Google. All right, and you can also get some information from Google about the topic that you want to choose, the questions that you want to choose. Okay, so these are the sentence starter. All right, maybe you don't have any idea what to say, how to start. All right, so you can use this as a start. Okay, so if you are going to give opinion, you can start with as far as I'm concerned. Okay, then you give your opinion. Okay, in my opinion, okay, you can start with this. Okay, so these are the examples. You can refer to this. Okay, these are also other examples. Okay, so you can choose. Okay, all right. Okay, so you are going to record in vocaroo. Okay, I'm going to give you the step. Okay, first you click to the link. Okay, in the PDF that I sent to you, you can click from there. Okay, once you click, okay, you look at the first picture. Okay, let me okay, look at the first picture. All right, the first picture, you can see the speaker button. So you click there, then you start speaking. All right, and then once you are done, you click stop. Okay, then you click save and share. All right. Okay, the last step is where you have to click to the icon, the icon, and then copy the link and you send the link to our Telegram group. Okay, so these are the steps. Okay, so that's all for our today's lesson and also our homework. Okay, thank you.